Yeah, low battery punch out. Okay.
What's this for some skills?
Whoa! Jeez, man.
There's a couple of universal laws all FPV pilots live by. Pineapple belongs on pizza, Joshua Bardwell and Bot Grinder are actually the same person, and the bigger the drone, the faster it's going to go in a race. This right here, the Hummingbird from Newbie Drone, couldn't give a stuff about your expectations, and it is defying all physical laws on just how fast the tiny little drone can go. G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today we really have something special. This is the first bind and fly little whoop you can take out of the box that is defying all expectations. It is an absolute weapon. We're going to catch up with Stickman Steve, scream this thing around, and right now is the time. If you're in America and you're thinking, man, I want something fast, but also that is safe, easy to fly, and works out of the box, this absolutely has you covered, and it's coming in at like less than 20 grams. I'll put the exact stats on the screen, but I think it's like 16 grams, which is insane. If you know anything about building, that is very, very difficult to achieve. And you guys, for like 90 bucks, it just comes out of the box like that, ready to rock and roll and have an awesome time. So as a bit of an overview, before we go rip around with Stickman Steve, very quickly, some of the features that I think are real standouts of this, of course, we've got a proper antenna on here in terms of reception and range. It's rocking ELRS. We've got a very nice little canopy. One of the big things, it is very, very light, which means it's not going to have much inertia when it crashes. Some of the other little features as well, you'll notice that there's no motor plugs on right here. Everything is direct soldered. It is really designed to get this as light as possible. Every gram that could be removed from here without sacrificing the flight experience, that's been taken care of. It's some of the other things, of course, we've just got our all-in-one board in the middle. It makes it very, very simple, and that's one of the ways it can keep it so light, like our F4, 4-in-1 ESC, like pretty standard stuff in the middle right here. It is rocking the CAC firmware, which is designed specifically for racing, and there's also a couple of different versions, but we have the race spec right here, and the guys actually said, just a little bit of a warning, Stu, this whoop is very, very fast, and that's what we're going to show you now. So we're going to catch up with Stickman Steve. We're going to rip this thing around, and let me know in the comments, have you ever seen a bind and fly whoop as fast as this? Because it's just like, it makes my brain hurt just how fast this thing is. But let's go do it. Rip around with Stickman Steve in 3, 2, 1.
This is too fast for me.
Oi!
Number one, don't fly drones into people, but also number two, I have to apologize for this video and to Newbie Drone because they sent us 2 of these and the plan was to race them around indoors. We'd set up lap timers, but we quickly realized we just don't have the skills anywhere near what this drone can allow for. It is extremely fast. It's absolutely insane. And for some, no, we're not beginner pilots, but it is absolutely next level. So we're going to take it outside. You'll see us rip it around there.
Thing is, it's got so much power, like when I armed it, it almost bounces around there.
Yeah, it did, hey.
Yeah, here we go, 4.2, much better. Look at it. Oh. It didn't like those low throttles. You ready for a bit of a punch out?
Yeah. Oh my God, it's gone. Oh my God, it's gone.
Alright, here we go.
So how's it feel cruising around out in the open?
Pretty fun, man.
It rips, doesn't it?
It is insane. And remember, we're on 25 milliwatts when we're here too.
Yeah.
But it's not kind to your batteries at all. Like, it really does suck the juice down. I think it's made to, like, it's just first to a couple of laps, you don't want anything left in the tank. It really is like a fast racing pro little whoop. Alright, so I don't even know what is the point of having your battery voltage on here. It should just be like, you've got like a little bit left, gun it, and then it's going to be all over.
Yeah, do your laps, bring it in.
Yep. But no, a heap of fun. Probably, definitely I would say the fastest whoop I have ever flown.
You see it in the air, it's just almost vertical.
Alright, let's, I'm going to, what's this for some skills?
Whoa! Jeez, man.
What's this for some skills?
Whoa! Jeez, man.
I didn't mean to get that close to my face, I'll have to admit.
Whoop.
I meant to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, that must have been close to my head when it was coming through.
Yeah.
Ooh, let me stop this DVR. That'll be interesting to watch back. But alright, where'd I end up? Did I come spitting out here?
No, just over here. Just sort of plop.
And also insanely quiet.
Yeah.
Like, you could barely hear that in the background.
Even though it's screaming. Yeah,
These
you can
insects
hardly
are
hear
louder
it.
than that.
Stickman Steve. So we've decided we're not good enough to fly around indoors. Your batteries are toast.
Yeah.
And the camera angle that is on here is
so
insane. It is
yeah.
so fast. So we've come out here to get your impressions on what this whoop is like, how fast it is, all that sort of stuff. So you're in air mode.
Yep.
Ready to rock and roll.
Righto. Come on, Charlie, you ready? Oh, geez.
Yeah, and you're away.
Holy. Man, everything comes up so quick.
Yeah.
Man, this thing's crazy. You haven't got much time to react, have you?
Steve, is this faster than you were expecting?
This is crazy fast. Really fast. I think like a lot of it's obviously to do with camera angle.
Yes.
But the responsiveness, like it's effortless.
Does it feel good?
Yeah, it's cool. It's a little bit much for me though.
Do you think this is beginner friendly?
Nah.
No, it's okay. Here's what I thought about this. If you're a pro, like is this good enough to be a pro build? Like you take this to the races, do you think this could be competitive at a top tier level, a drone like this?
I think so, mate.
I agree.
This is insane. And just responsive too. Like
yeah, and it's about $90.
yeah, I'm getting land now. Right, I'm
What's your voltage at?
3.4.
Oh, you can keep going. Oh, did you just disarm on purpose?
I tried to do the old. I already had my finger on the button, so I tried to let go and then rearm.
Can you come give me a little punch out in front of the camera?
It's doing something weird. It's in angle mode.
Oh, yep.
How have I done that?
That's this button.
Oh, that's alright, I'll leave it.
It's on. It should be off.
It's on air mode now.
Yep. Here, ready?
Low battery punch out.
Yeah, low battery punch out. Okay.
These things are insane. That's really cool.
Is this the fastest whoop you've ever flown?
Yeah.
Is there any oscillations or problems with you flying it?
No.
Besides your skill level?
Yeah. Big time, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, dude, like when I took off, it's so light, it just, as soon as I leant forward, it was gone.
Yes.
Like, oh my God, this thing's quick. And then trying to navigate trees, what I'm used to flying around in this yard, they just come up so quick.
Yeah.
It's like, holy.
This is not a beginner drone.
Nah.
This is a serious whoop racers.
But at the same
drone.
time, super forgiving being a lightweight whoop.
Yeah.
It's not going to do any damage.
16 grams. Yeah.
But you'll see in the DVR, climbing that tree and diving and things, yeah, super capable.
Yeah.
And it's awesome fun.
I just makes me feel like a very, I got a lot of skills to learn to be able to master this.
Yeah.
So. But it's going to be there. It's going to support me a long way.
I think the biggest thing they could do is, like, I mean, you can see the TPU, that's already in the least aggressive camera angle
Yep.
there is. Look at that. That's insane.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's cool.
All right, thumbs up, thumbs down, or in the middle.
Thumbs up,
And what do you think for like the $80, $79 or something?
Yeah, try and build one that light for that much.
Yeah. So, and if you look here too, like even the motors are direct soldered on, so you don't have any motor
Yeah,
plugs.
that's
They've
good.
really cut out every single little piece of weight, and it shows in that performance.
Yeah.
So, too easy. All right, thanks, Steve.
They've smashed it out of the park with this one. I think for the price at like $90, it's an absolute thumbs up. It comes out of the box, low weight savings. You don't have to set much up. It's got the CAC firmware on there. It is good enough to compete at those top tier levels. And also you can fly this thing around in parks and do like little freestyles around playgrounds. It's very, very safe. But because it's a whoop with those prop guards as well, you can fly it around indoors. So I've got to say thumbs up to Newbie Drone, because this really is the next generation of little whoops. It is absolutely outstanding, and I think a lot of people are going to have a lot of fun.